I'm a full-time student, I have a job, and sometimes it gets super messy and I just don't have the time or motivation to clean. So I figured I would just do like a vlog style of me cleaning my entire room, since a lot of people seem to like that, and maybe you can clean yours with me or just get some tips and watch me do it. So here we go. Here's an overview. There's stuff all over the floor, everywhere, all over, so gotta clean. To start, I'm just gonna get everything off of my floor because that seems to be the biggest issue. So yeah, come along with me while I do that. Okay, so now that that is done, I am going to conquer this giant pile of laundry and just hang it all up and put it all away because I have to. I don't want to. It's literally giant, and yes, there's a random sticker and phone case on my floor. So before I put my laundry away, I'm actually just gonna go through my older clothes and just put a bag aside for clothes I want to keep but not get rid of, aka like sentimental things or things that say things on them, like shirts from schools or like sports, whatever I did. I'm gonna put them in a bag to take home to my actual home since I live away from for school. And then I'm also going to make a bag of things to sell, and then that should give me more closet space to hang up my laundry and more hangers. So a really good way to go through your clothes and organize is to make piles. So the first pile I'm doing is anything that needs to be in hangers, and then the second pile is like track pants, leggings, bras and underwear, and then I just put them all away after, so it's kind of easier for me to organize rather than have to go through it all and stress to find out where everything goes. So here's like my hang up pile, and then there is my track pants. Okay, so I have everything in piles individually on my bed and on my floor, which means that my laundry bin's now empty, which means I can put my dirty clothes inside. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but in these big green bags, I have a crap ton of clothes that I need to sell or donate or whatever. So part of cleaning that I do anyways is just go through everything I don't want or don't need. This is also a huge bag of makeup, accessories, and all that. And then that's the bag of stuff that I'm bringing home. So yeah, when you're cleaning, just go through your stuff and get rid of things you really don't need. It just kind of helps organize and declutter things. And now the last almost last part of cleaning is I lit a candle right there, and then I just want to wipe down all the surfaces. So I have some Lysol spray and a microfiber cloth that I'm just gonna wipe down all my surfaces with. I just have a few more shirts I need to hang up, and then I'm just gonna tidy up my bed. So everything's pretty much clean. All I have is a bag of garbage that I need to take outside tomorrow. Everything's off my floor besides the bags of clothes that I'm selling. And everything's picked up, wiped. The last thing I like to do though is spray my bed with some sleep spray. It helps me sleep at night and also makes my bed smell good. And then I'm also gonna use that on my little couch chair bench thing, and then what else am I gonna do? Oh yeah, spray my room. I'm just gonna close my closet doors because it's kind of weird when they're open. But yeah, that's what I do when I clean. I usually make my cleaning days on Sundays. It's usually easier just to get it done on the weekend before starting the week, and when I have school and work it's kind of hard to maintain it, so I usually do it on Sundays. But yeah, it's not a deep cleanse, it's just like basic cleaning up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment suggestions for future videos down below, and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!